So I stopped by a mall today because I wanted to see if malls were still doing traditional Christmas decorations, and I had something to pick up right outside the mall anyways. It's pretty disappointing. First of all, JCPenney's closed. I mean, so these are what I remember as a kid. These kind of rows of hanging lights, but they used to be incandescent twinkling and now they're LED. Here's kind of a little Christmas village, but I was hoping for like a big giant tree. This is the biggest tree they have. Everything's LED and everything honestly looks really dim. That's a thing. I'm sure I'll get a copyright strike on this music. Then there's a little tree with incandescent lights. The sadder thing is that this is not. We have 2 malls remaining in the city that I know of, and this is the nicer of the 2. I'm a little worried to know what the other one looks like. These also are very dim LEDs. I did see some nice decorations when I was out driving today, which was nice. So, one of the things I thought was interesting, at least, they have those same curtains of LEDs here in the center, but at least here in the center they twinkle. No, I didn't think you could get twinkling LEDs. Wonder what they're doing over there. So that's kind of cool. They don't shimmer the way the incandescent ones do, but it's at least nice that they still use those, you know. Let's see if there's anything better down this way. Nothing down that way. That's where I came in. More shimmering. They got some trees here, but looks like they wouldn't be lit even when the store is open. It's a little surprising to see so many stores closed. It's like 6 p.m. I guess it's a good thing for COVID safety, but it's sad for humanity. These LEDs look a little brighter, otherwise no different. Hobby Lobby is where Sears used to be. R.I.P. Sears. Definitely where I bought a lot of my tools. So maybe I'll do a video. The mall that had the coolest Christmas decorations when I was a kid was Hilldale Mall. Now, I did some video there before they closed. They're long gone. But, okay, looks like we're about the same. Let me finish telling the story. I'm gonna sit down though. I don't have my inhaler. So, Hilldale Mall, when I was a kid, definitely had the nicest decorations. And maybe 10 years ago or so, well, 20 years ago, they started converting it from a traditional mall to like an outlet mall. You know, where everything's outdoors, but it's fancier than a strip mall. And 20 years ago, they started that process, and I managed to save the gold lines out of the Firestone tire that was there. Managed to save one of the Caraways out of the Century grocery store. start heading back. And was not able to save the fans out of the Wolf Kubli hardware. And those are the only stores that were remodeled or gutted. Oh, there was an original Pancake House that had tons of huggers, but nothing worth saving. But like literally one of those restaurant installs that was just like they bought every hugger and not a single regular light fixture. And there were all those white 42-inch huggers you used to be able to get for $19.99 that had a single 3 1/4-inch schoolhouse globe integrated fitter. So just the cheapest huggers. But they were white stencil, and they just had dozens of them. And as far as I know, if there were any other stores in Hilldale that had fans that got gutted around that time, I didn't know about them. So, but I saved the gold lines, which was the must ones. And then 10 years ago, they finished converting it from an interior mall to an outlet mall. And I tried to save the Newton Pro lines out of the gift shop. No luck. But I did do a video of them. I did a video of Encon Monarchs, Delta 2s in a shoe store. Man, pretzel sounds great. I don't need a pretzel, but I'm gonna think about it. So, anyhow, now it's entirely an outside mall, but they decorate the outside really nicely, so I might do a video there. Probably gonna check out the other mall just to see if it's as bad as this one. Okay, thanks for watching.